We have to make technology for people who can't afford to buy the nice, shiny tool. We have to build technology for people who don't know how to use the technology. We have to build technology for the environment who are not necessarily the users, but the beneficiaries of this technology being used. I'm Navid Shaghaghi. I am the director of the EPIC Lab. That's Ethical, Pragmatic, and Intelligent Computing. It's basically a humanitarian technology lab where we focus on IoT and lots of other technologies, but we only do projects that are meant for helping humanity, communities. Mom and pop farmers, like a community program like this, they really do not have the money to be able to go and purchase large amounts of these technologies. One of the projects that we do is the hydration automation. Veggielution was interested in finding a way to reduce their water usage, and what we want to do is we want to make something that the box is less than $100. What we do is focus on that small group and say, can we take technology that exists, that we can take components off the shelf from, and build something that can achieve the same level as maybe the industry level sensors. It honestly energizes me, and I see the actual learning that happens here with the students. You actually sit there and go, okay, I'm building this thing, I'm putting it in the ground. Now it's a real thing in the world that people are going to use, and it's going to change their lives.